PSLE 2022, this is a fractions and a grouping is involved as well. Mutu used 4/7 of his money to buy 6 pence. He used the rest. Immediately you will know that if 4/7 is used already, the rest means it's 3/7, right? Okay, so we'll show this calculation later. The rest was used to buy 4 pens and 3 files. What fraction of his money did Mutu use to buy the 3 files? So you need to focus on the 3 files and try and eliminate the 4 pens later on. 1 file was given for free for every 5 files that you bought. How many files will Mutu be able to buy if he spent all of his money on the files alone? 4/7 was for 6 pence, okay? And the rest was used to buy the 4 pens and 3 files. Question is, what fraction was for the 3 files? Alright, part A. What's the rest? Okay, we need to show this calculation. The rest means 1 whole. Take away 4/7. The rest means he spent 3/7 of his money on the 4 pens and the 3 files. Okay, so again, we need to take away this pen so that we focus only on the files. So we know that 6 pens cost 4/7. We can then find the cost of 1 pen in terms of fraction. Okay, 4/7 divided by 6. This will be 2/21, and then we can find what is 4 pence in terms of fraction. 2/21 times 4, so it's 8/21. Okay, I know that he spent the rest of his money on these 4 pens and the 3 files. So which means the 3 files would actually cost him 3/7 of his money. Take away the 4 pens, and we'll get the fraction for the 3 files, which is 1/21. Okay, this is the final answer for the first part of this question. Now, second part. One file was given for free for every 5 files that he bought. How many files was Mutu be able to buy, or would Mutu be able to buy if he spent all of his money on the files alone? How do we do this? Now, 3 files alone will cost him 1/21 of his money. Okay? So 1/21 of his money will be able to buy him 3 files. So what you just need to do here is to find what is the entire of his money, what's 1 whole of his money. 21 times 3. It's like a unitary method. You'll be able to buy 63 files. Okay? But remember, friends, for every 5 files you buy, you get 1 free. So if you're able to buy 63 files, how many free files will you be able to achieve? How many groups of 5 are there here? That's the next question to ask. 63 divided by 5 is actually 12, remainder 3. Okay? 12 remainder 3, which means you get 12 groups of 5 files, and these 12 groups of 5 files, for each of these 12 groups you will get 1 extra file for free. So you get 12 extra files for free, and remember you're able to buy 63 and you'll get 12 free files. 63 plus 12, final answer for this question, 75 files in total that he can get if he spent all of his money on files.